Hello! In this video we're going to be describing pictures about music, and this will be good for your English speaking and vocabulary. There are 3 pictures, and here is the first one. And on the right we have vocabulary words, so I'm going to write the definition for you. So keys are the buttons on a piano. Piano keys. Staff, the lines on which you write music. So this right here is a music staff. So we have piano keys and a music staff. Quarter note, a type of rhythm in written music. So, actually we don't have a quarter note on here. It should say 8th note. And there's also a whole note. So the 8th notes are here. In the circle, it's called a whole note. Treble clef. Well, treble clef is this symbol right here, which indicates which notes the staff represents. Vintage. It means something that is old or from an old style. So I think that this piece of paper, this picture, is a vintage paper. It has that kind of vintage color. And the color of it is beige. So beige is basically like a light brown color. On this beige vintage paper, we can see piano keys and some musical elements. There is a treble clef, a staff, some quarter notes, and a whole note. Okay, the next picture. So conduct, it's a verb, basically means to lead a group of musicians. So we can say this teacher is conducting the class. Young. So young, it's the opposite of old. So we could say this is a group of young students. Instruments. Things that make music, right? So there's a piano, guitar, a lot of different instruments. Music stand. The place you put the music papers or the music book. So this is a stand, a music stand. So you can say she's reading music from a music stand. Class. The class is learning piano and guitar. Learning. And ponytail. A type of hairstyle. So this is a ponytail right here. Ponytail. A teacher with a ponytail is conducting a class of young musicians. They are learning various instruments, including guitar, piano, and violin. The teacher is reading music from a music stand. Third picture. This one is more about electronic music. So we have an interface. For this music interface, it's right here, and it's sort of like the middle between the microphone and the computer. It's called an interface. MIDI. So this is not a real piano. It's called a MIDI keyboard. MIDI keyboard. And if you're wondering, MIDI stands for Music Instrument Digital Interface, I think. Software, kind of program you can run on a computer. So here you can see she's using some music production software because she's probably a producer. So she's probably a music producer. So we can say a music producer is using some software and an interface to input MIDI notes on her piano. Cables. I don't know how to describe it, but they are those black lines. So we can say, wow, there's a lot of cables on the ground here. So she is sitting cross-legged. Cross-legged. Let's see the example answer. A music producer is sitting cross-legged in front of a laptop. They are surrounded by electronic music equipment. There is an interface, a MIDI keyboard, and a bunch of cables. They are They're using music production software to make a cool song. So for your homework, you should record yourself describing each of these pictures. So you can basically use your phone to record your voice. And then you can listen to it and try to find any mistakes. Afterwards, you can write a paragraph about your favorite musical memories. Some people have a song that they really enjoyed from high school, or some people are musicians and they have a lot of memories playing music with other people. So you can write a paragraph about your favorite musical memories and record yourself describing each of the pictures. And I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Good luck studying.